In this video, I will show you how to add search icon in menu Wordpress without plugin. If you want to know how it's done, this video is for you. In order to actually do this, we need to head over right here to our actual homepage or to our actual site in order to see what we're working with. As you can see, I have these menus right here, but I don't have the search icon or the search bar. In order to make this possible is to click on this customize right here. And then once you have done that, you will be redirected to the block editor of the actual WordPress. So as you can see here, I'm actually customizing my WordPress right here. So what I can do is I can head over and then make this possible. So it actually depends on the team if they have the search bar or the search icon available. Earlier, I'm actually in the Astra team, and right now I have changed to 2020 team. Once you have head over to this particular team, you can see this option for team options, and in here, you can see this show search in header. Click on this, and then this will load your actual team. Once you have done that, you can now see the search right here. So click on the save changes right here in order to save your progress. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, then leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.